Oh.
Oh, what are you two up to?
Don't distract us, we're exercising.
Don't mind him, Harry. He's just in a mood because of Nigel over the road.
Oh, what's happened?
It's that bin bag. He's just... Nigel's looking...
He's looking rather lean and fresh for a bin bag.
That's quite enough.
Oh, come on, Reg. It's nice to have a bit of motivation to get in shape.
Not working though, is it? How do you do it?
That's where I come in, Reggie. Nigel's not being weighed down by food anymore. They're making the most of their food recycling collection instead.
Oh, Harry, aren't you the little Binfluencer, setting trends all down the street?
But how do they have the time separating all the different kinds of food into different bins?
Well, they don't have to. All food can be recycled and put into the food recycling. From peelings, plate scrapings, mouldy food, eggshells, bones from meat and fish. If it's food, it goes in.
And that all goes into you?
Yep.
And you still look like that?
Yep.
Cool. Blessed with good genetics, ain't ya? Are you here? Have you done your face?
I don't know what you're talking about, Reg.
Right. Harry, where can I recycle my food?